Deflation means decrease in the economy-wide price level of goods, causing a reduction in the amount of money in circulation. In this 1 minute, we are going to explore the concept of deflation. The opposite of inflation, deflation often can be observed to occur during or just before a financial crisis because people tend to save money instead of spending. When the overall price of goods in the economy starts to decrease, people tend to hoard their cash as they wait for an even lower price. What follows is a decline in the circulation of cash. When these things happen, businesses either can't sell their goods and services or have to sell them at lower prices, making their businesses unprofitable and forcing them to fire some of the workers. Deflation is normally linked with significant unemployment and low productivity levels of goods and services. It normally indicates slowdown in an economy in the sense that people are not willing to spend and businesses are incurring losses due to low revenue. If prices of goods are coming down, businesses would stop investment as there is risk of loss. Gradually, deflation can worsen into a recession and depression. It is often said that among the two undesirables, inflation and deflation, deflation is more dangerous.